Let us learn the things we see at home. Sofa, chair, bed, dining table, stool, cupboard, lamp, ceiling fan, refrigerator, washing machine, clock, television, remote control, music system, speakers, mobile phone, desktop computer, laptop, air conditioner, kettle, stove, pressure cooker, blender, coffee maker, microwave, toaster, iron, hair dryer, torch, vacuum cleaner, step ladder,